Let's go. Let's turn on the lights. Ooh, can I just hop? Oh, I can hop to these places. That's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. We should go Shutoko. Okay. Alright, now why do I have... What is that mirror in front of me? Is that like... What is that? Oh, it's like the... Where's the onboard? Onboard settings. Wait. Oh, that's better. Now I don't need this. I don't know how to disable it yet, but I will. Yeah, I'm not that tall. Yeah, that's good. All right. Let's start looking for the pops. Why am I against the traffic? Wait, I teleported before. Why can't I teleport now? I'm not doing anything. I just want to teleport. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Let's start comfy map. Let's start comfy map. I need wipers. I need wipers. Let's go. Driving against the traffic. Oh no. Wow, the car slips so hard. Oh my god. I'm only driving on 100 kilometers. Why does it spin so hard?
Yellow flag.
Of course I'm in a yellow flag. I'm driving against the traffic. Bro. Oh, rain is getting stronger. We may need better wipers. We may need better wipers.
Yellow flag, watch out.
Alright. What? The game should inform me before that we can't go there.
Yellow flag.
Okay, yellow flag, okay. Alright, Chief. Let's lower the force feedback for a bit, because if I get too much information,
You're on the right.
I can also spin the car.
Clear right. Car right on your right. Right side's clear.
Stop, crew chief.
Repeat, please. Yellow flag.
Stop. Stop it.
Sorry, mate, I didn't catch that.
The tires are so slippery. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I can't see shit. Oh, that's
Clear
me.
left. Clear left. Yellow flag, caution.
Man, I feel the road. Bro, I don't know what they did to this car, but this car slips so hard.
Car right on your right.
My Honda Civic
Clear right.
was never that slippery. I had that car.
Clear left.
Shut up.
Yellow flag, car right.
Oh, I
Right
got.
side.
Wait. I gotta.
Car right.
Let's shut this
Still
motherfucker,
there.
bitch. Fuck off. Alright, where were we? When I had my Honda Civic hatchback, it never behaved like that in 100 kilometers per hour. Not in the rain, not in the snow, not anywhere. That's just unrealistic or something. I don't know what's going on in here. If I need to lower the force feedback, maybe it's too much. Wait, if I slip, it doesn't mean that I get too little feedback. It means I get... No, that never happened. That never happened in real life. Stop it. Stop it. What did you do to this car? Did you overinflate the tires or something? What did you do? I'm trying to control this car. No. I like the graphics. Maybe the filter could be a little bit better. If I wanted to upgrade stuff in here, it would be the steering wheel to a real built one. I would need a bigger screen with 240 Hertz at least, with high resolution, and a sim racing chair. That would be helpful for setting positions. But before all that, I need to know why this car cannot be handled well in 100 kilometers an hour. And I need to apply pressure on my hands in order to drive this car, okay? Why is this car so slippery? Stop! Stop! What am I doing wrong? Am I pressing the gas too hard? Is that what's going on? What? Even if I press the gas too hard, the car never slipped. God damn it. Look at this Toyota Camry. Let me move. Come on. What? You brake check me? Bitch. Fucking twat. Now, the car behaves pretty well on dry road. But on wet road, it feels like skating on the road, you know? Because I remember how it feels riding on a Honda Civic hatchback in 120 and 30 and 40, 140 kilometers an hour. And it was never that slippery. Never. Only when the tires were way gone. Look, now I try to drive and the car slips. The wheel just goes wherever it wants. Into the traffic we go. I was thinking to myself, is there really a difference between a 500,000, a 100,000 car in the traffic, between a $20,000 vehicle in the traffic, in heavy traffic? It's like bumper to bumper traffic. Do you really think it matters? What the fuck is that swerve? Fuck. Oh god, such heavy traffic. But that Mazda looks good. I like Mazdas. Oh, two Mazdas, one next to each other. This is a Mazda 630. Kinda like this car. Japanese car. Come on, drive, drive, drive. Oh. I didn't see even one cop, bro. There was too much traffic. That's what's going on. Too much traffic. And I can't even overspeed. Oh god. No, traffic again. Stop. Stop. Alright. let's see how fast we can go. Okay, I know what's going on. The wet effect on the road is overstated, and roads do not feel like that when they are wet. Not asphalt anyway. Asphalt does not absorb the rain, but it does not make it slippery. If it did, all cars would be fucking... It will be a wreckfest in the winter. See if I can get that. Whoa! That's what has that. Oh, I had a hesitation. Is my car okay? Yeah, it's okay. It's alright. I'm trying to raise the brakes, but the whole car just refuses. Oh! Oh no! Come on. I didn't get a turn? What? What's going on? Yo, fuck that taxi, bro. Fucking douche. Why don't you fuck off, bro? Bro, fuck off! What? Is that it? We are twins now? We are conjugated twins? We cannot be separated anymore? That's it. Just the two of us. Me and the taxi in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. Just the two of us. Oh, this wheel goes all over the place. The problem is with the road. Let's see if we can use the planner to make the road less wet. That's heavy rain, okay. Plan position, data, rain amount and probability, rainwater, okay, humidity, road temperature, wind direction. But there is no wetness. There is no wetness. I will find you. I will find you. I will find how to do it. But maybe not today. Dynamics. Wetness. Wetness, drying by road temperature, minimum road temperature drying. Just dry the fucking what? Okay. Hey, did the rain stop? It's still wet. So we didn't meet any police today, but we did have a little bit of fun. Move away, Prius. Move away. Move away. Fuck. Move away. Move. Not. Oh, finally. Finally. הכביש הזה מרגיש מאוד 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 כמו כביש בישראל. כביש עמוס, מלא מכוניות. אז מה הם עושים? שמים שני נתיבים. שני נתיבים למדינה עם 3 מיליון רכבים. כן? זה מה שהם עושים. במקום לעשות 3 נתיבים. במקרה ויש רכב תקוע, שזה קורה, או תאונה, נשאר לך 2 נתיבים. אממה. התכנון לקוי כמו כל המדינה הזאת. Damn. Okay, that's it. Thank you for joining.